Hey, you got the Enforcer 250, and I'm about to do an unboxing. And as you can see, this quality control, you see it says pass, it's a seal. So just in case you think this thing was second hand, I'm just gonna, as you see, I'm gonna open the sides here. I just open one side, and I'm gonna open this side. As you can see, okay, let me just put this Exo knife away. As you can see now that that's been opened. Let me just get this stapled out. Okay, and this is they like double box these things. Wow, this is a beauty, man. Huh? This is a beauty. This is wow. Look, manual. ACOM 1000 HF plus 6-meter linear amplifier. Wow. Yeah. Brand new in the box. Huh? This isn't no refurbished shit that some people claim I buy. Nope. I don't buy refurbished stuff. And what is this? What is this? Okay, this is just the to select the voltages, so on and so forth. Okay, that's to install the external fan option, which I had installed. You see, installation of the external fan option. Okay, that's just some literature. And let me just put this on the side. And as you can see, I'm just going to lift this up. And that's the baby right there. Lord have mercy. Look at this thing. Excuse me. Huh? Oh, that's a beauty, huh? That is a nice baby right there. Now, I'm going to try to grab this at the same time. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just probably put the camera on top of the amp. Just temporarily. I got to lift this out of the box. Man, this bitch is heavy. Okay, and you can see this thing was packed real nice. That's the that's the vent. That's the vent for the tube. As you can see, that's one of those steel ceramic tubes. I'm just pointing a flashlight on it. And this thing is sealed nice, man. From front to back. Look at that. Alright. So, you see me unbox it. I took it out of a double box. Okay. Now, I'm going to unwrap it. And when I unwrap it, I'm going to continue with the video. It's going to be like a 3-part video. When I'm just going to basically, from unwrapping it, I'm just going to set it up on, and hook it up to a radio. So this is the second part of a 3-part video. Oh yeah, this is the unboxing part 2. Stand by for part 3. Enforcer 250.